With shame and humble faith, I've come before you, Lord, to seek for forgiveness to you, Allah. Now it might you forgive, regardless of what I did. That's why I kneel down before you. Sometimes I run only, but you still give me life. And I got a reason in my life, and I pray to save my soul from every shackle. Save my soul from, to save my soul from shaitan. Redeem my soul, what I need. Forgiveness is all I need. Forgiveness, forgiveness, forgiveness is all I need. For the free life you've given to me, I never thank you once, and my sin is greater than the mountains. I need your help, renew my soul, show me where you never turn your back on me. If you turn me back, I'll be among the losers. I'll cry forever. I promise to hold your offer. I promise to be grateful, and I promise to never go astray forever. Save my soul from every shackle. Save my soul.